Welcome back to the Bad Official. Today I'm going to show you how to remove Yahoo virus into your Microsoft Edge or your any browsers like Chrome and also Safari. So many people, they are opening their browser and find when they try to searching something, for example hello, and they get the result from Yahoo search engine. So today I'm going to show you how to change that search engine to your preferred engine like Bing for Microsoft or Google for Google Chrome. So let's start, but before, make sure you like, subscribe to stay connected with us, and then share with your friend after to watch this video. Let's start. So you open your browser. Let's start on Edge. Yes, Edge, and then you come on that side in the corner on the three dot, and then click on it, and then scroll down on setting, and then come on privacy, search and services, then come on search and connected experience, and then come on address bar and search. Then you see here the Yahoo default on this side, address bar Yahoo default, and then click on it and set Google or Bing. In Microsoft Edge, Bing can be the best. So in the Google Chrome, you choose Google, for example Bing or Google Chrome. Yes. Now if we try again and search here, we get result from Google. Yes, Google engine. So in the Google Chrome, when you come in that three dot here and scroll down to setting, and come on search engine, and then you click on change. So here you will see Google, Microsoft, Bing, score or what, and then change to depend on what you want. Yes, and click on set as default. So this is how to change Google. This is how to change search engine. And the search engine, it is the best tool to get a better result. Yes. So if this video helped you, please like and subscribe to stay connected with us, and share with your friends, lecturers, teachers, and your families or anyone who need digital skills to use in a daily world, modern world. Bye bye. God bless you.